नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू bizbotany। आज हम पढ़ेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ लीव्स के बारे में। इन द मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स हम पढ़ेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ लीव्स के बारे में। देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ लीव्स आर प्रेजेंट। वन इज सिंपल लीव्स, अनदर वन इज compound leaves। Then what are simple leaves? Simple leaves are nothing but a leaf is said to be simple when its lamina is entire. The incisions do not touch midrib. What it means? Here this is an example for simple leaves. There is no incisions will be present in a simple leaves. Incision nothing but a cuttings. The cuttings which do not touch to the midrib of a leaf. This is a midrib part. This is a midrib of a leaf. Incision nothing but a cuttings. They are not touching to a midrib. Such type of leaves we are calling them as a simple leaves. What they are saying? A leaf is said to be simple when its lamina, this part, complete part, we are calling it as a lamina, is entire. The incisions nothing but a cuttings. They do not touch to a midrib. Such type of leaves are known as simple leaves. Second type of leaves nothing but a compound leaves. In a compound leaves, what happening here? When the incision of lamina, incisions nothing but a cutting of the lamina, reach to the midrib, breaking it into number of leaflets. Here, in case of compound leaves, here we have one example of compound leaf, that is nothing but a neem. Here this midrib, you can see this one is a midrib, and a leaf is cutted into a small pieces. Okay, incisions, we are calling them incisions, nothing but a decorative cuttings. These decorative cuttings are reaching to a midribs. This part we are calling it as a midrib part. They are reaching to a midribs, which leads to the formation of a number of leaflets. These are the leaflets of a compound leaves. Such type of leaves are known as compound leaves. In compound leaves, we have two types. One is pinnately compound leaves, another one is palmately compound leaves. First one is pinnately compound leaves. What it consists of? A number of leaflet present on common axis. We call that as a rachis. Best example for pinnately compound leaves are nothing but neem plants. In neem plants, what happen? The number of leaflets, these are the number of leaflets which are present in a neem, present on common axis. This is a common axis, nothing but a midrib of a leaf. These leaflets are present on a common axis. These are the leaflets of a neem plants. They are present on a common axis. Such type of leaves are known as pinnately compound leaves. Pinnately compound leaves. The leaflets are present on a common axis, nothing but a rachis or nothing but a midrib. They are present on a common midribs. We are calling them as a pinnately compound leaves. Second type of compound leaves, nothing but a palmately compound leaves. In a palmately compound leaves, the leaflets are attached to a common point. Here, this is a rachis or nothing but a midrib of a leaf. These are the other leaflets. Best example for palmately compound leaves, nothing but a silk cotton. Here, this is a midrib or rachis. These are the leaflets. These all are attached to a common point. These all leaflets are attaching to a common point of a midribs. Such type of compound leaves are known as palmately compound leaves. Now we need to understand about a phyllotaxy. What is phyllotaxy means? Phyllotaxy nothing but a pattern of arrangement of leaves on a stem or branches. On a stem or branches. Pattern of arrangement of leaves on a stem or branches, we call it as a phyllotaxy. There are three types of phyllotaxis will be present in the plants. One is alternate, second one is opposite, alternate phyllotaxy, second one is opposite phyllotaxy, third one is whorled phyllotaxy. Alternate phyllotaxy, opposite phyllotaxy and whorled phyllotaxy. What is alternate phyllotaxy? We know that phyllotaxy nothing but a pattern of arrangement of leaves on a stem or branches. Consider this is a stem of a plant. This is a stem of a plant which contains nodes. These are the nodes of a stem. Nodes of a stem. If the leaves are arranged in alternate manners, here you can see one leaves. Okay, another one is present here. In an alternate manner, such type of arrangement of leaves on a stem, we call it as a alternate phyllotaxy. This type of alternative arrangement of leaves on a stem, we call that as a alternate phyllotaxy. Second one is a opposite phyllotaxy. Opposite phyllotaxy means this is a stem. These are the nodes of a stem. If the pair of leaves which are present opposite to each other on a stem at the node portion, like this, a pair of leaves which are present at the node portion opposite to each other, such type of arrangement of leaves we call it as a opposite phyllotaxy. Opposite phyllotaxy. This one is opposite phyllotaxy. This one is alternate. Third one is a whorled phyllotaxy. Whorled phyllotaxy. Consider this is our stem which contains a node. At the node regions, more than two leaves are present. In this node regions, more than two leaves are present. They are arranged in a circular or whorled form, surrounding to a complete stem or node regions. They are present, more than two leaves are present in the node region. Okay, they are arranged in circular form or whorled form. Such type of arrangement of leaves we call them as a whorled phyllotaxy. Whorled phyllotaxy. Whorled phyllotaxy. Examples for these three type of phyllotaxis means, for alternate phyllotaxis we have example, that is China rose. In China rose plants, these leaves are arranged alternatively on a stem. For opposite type of phyllotaxy, we have example, that is guava. Guava plants, leaves are arranged opposite to each other at a node region of the stems. In a whorled phyllotaxy, we have example, that is Alastonia. In Alastonia, these leaves are arranged orally in a circular form. Okay, more than two leaves are present. They are arranged in a circular form around the stem at the node region of a stem or plant. We are calling that as a whorled phyllotaxy. That example for whorled phyllotaxy is Alastonia. This is something about the type of leaves and a phyllotaxy. Nothing but a arrangement of leaves on a stem. Thank you.